In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Asana with HubSpot in a quick and simple way. First, head over to your HubSpot account homepage. You'll see the store icon at the top. Click on it and then select Marketplace to install apps like Asana. Once you're in the Marketplace, click on the search bar and search for Asana. Here you'll see Asana by HubSpot and also the Asana app by Asana themselves. You can choose either one you prefer, as both are HubSpot certified applications. I'll go ahead and choose the other option. From here, click on Install. This will redirect you to the asana.com/app/HubSpot page. You may be prompted to log in to your Asana account and confirm the installation. Click on the Install option to continue. Once the process is complete, Asana will be connected to your HubSpot account. Just wait for it to finish setting up and you're good to go. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.